So let's check this problem here. We have this concrete column shown here with width of 16 inches and length of 20 inches and cover of 2 inches from each side. The column is reinforced by 12 number 9 bars, and the grade of the steel is 60 and the strength of the concrete is 4000 psi. We know that this column is loaded by 957 kips of axial compressive load, and we want to calculate the maximum factored bending moment that could be applied on this cross section acting on the 1-1 axis, simultaneously of course with this axial load. In order to calculate the maximum factored bending moment, we will start first by calculating gamma, which equals h minus 2d over h. We know that h here equals 20 inches and d is 2 inches, which is the cover, over h, which is 20, which equals 0.8. At the same time, we can calculate rho, which is the percentage of the steel, and it equals the area steel over the area gross. We know that the area steel equals 12 multiplied by the area of the number 9 bars, which equals 1 inch square, and this is mentioned in the tables of the steel reinforcement in the reference book, over 20 multiplied by 16, which is the gross area of the concrete column, and this will equal 0.0375. After that, we will start by calculating the Kn, which equals P ultimate over phi Fc prime multiplied by area gross. We have all of these values, so Kn equals 957 over 0.65, because this is a concrete column, it's a compressive element, so we will use the phi equals 0.65 multiplied by 4, which is the Fc prime in KSI unit, multiplied by 20 multiplied by 16, which is the area gross. So this means that Kn will equal 1.15. So now we have the Kn and we have the gamma and we also have the rho. Based on that, from the table we can get Rn, because we have the rho and also we have the Kn. Based on the Rn equation, which says that the M ultimate equals phi Fc prime multiplied by area gross multiplied by h multiplied by Rn, we have all of these values except for the M ultimate. So the M ultimate equals 0.65 multiplied by 4, which is the Fc prime, multiplied by 20 multiplied by 16, which is the area gross, multiplied by 20 again, which is h, all multiplied by 0.1, which is the Rn. This means that the M ultimate equals 1664 kip inches. So the answer is the first option, which is 1660 kip inch. So this is it for our video today. See you in our next video. Thank you.